Jack, is that your bone?
Jackie, is that a baby bone or a big bone? Jackie.
You like that bone, don't you?
Oh.
It's tasty.
Jack, get it. Get it.
You love your bone?
Get it, Jack.
Oh, I think you love your bone. Oh, yeah, Dozer. It's Dozer-sized bone, isn't it? You're kind of close to the camera, mister. You love your bone.
Jack, how much do you love your bone?
Hi, Doze. Do you love it? Is it tasty? You make it out with your bone. You giving it the tongue.
Jack.
Tasty bone. You gotta move it, huh? You gotta protect it. Let's see. Dozer's eating his bone too. It's Dozer's sized bone because he's a big boy and it's a big bone.
Some snow and some flurry activity. That's really a bit about it. Let me take you back.
What's Jack doing now? Oh, you certainly know how to chew your bone.
Get your back into it, Jack. Get your back into it.
To look at. Now, temperatures this evening is kind of cool in some areas. 30 degrees right now in Hoxie, feels like 30. Leon, meanwhile, at 39, feeling like 39. So, not